All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're going to be diving back into our website build. Let's have a look at what we went over this morning. Let's get it looked at. And as you can see here from the side, our panel here, we have a lot more added to our website. So let me just go ahead and show you what we're working with. Instead of talking about it, I can actually just pull it up for you. We did get a lot done this morning, so let's get another focus on that. Like I said, we're going to be doing this instead of the Unreal Engine project. So yeah, get used to seeing this a lot more. We got a lot done, but we're still a long way to go. So let me get them pull it up for you. So you recall yesterday we did have our landing page or our home page done. It was pretty much done here with everything. I'm not going to change too much here. I did change a little bit around, added an About Us section. And all of these clickables were clickable, but nothing was happening when we clicked on them. So we fixed that this morning. As you can see now, all of our headers have their own pages now. Each header goes back to the home page. We can go back and forth between the home page and the headers, and we can go between each header. So you can see here, services, about us. Let me show you that the title actually changes also. See services. And then only two we actually put together with the pricing and the contact us. So let's go to the contact us. You see the contact us here done. You see the contact information. Now this email address is my actual email address, so you can actually contact me now if you are interested in services. This phone number is a placeholder. It's one of my old telephone numbers that I don't use any longer, but until I upgrade it, this I'm going to leave this here for now. And then the address, as you can see, under construction. Since we're going to be pretty much basically a website online, I don't think an address is going to be applicable, but I'll leave it here for now just in case I decide to change that and give you a look at the pricing page. As you can see here, the pricing. These are the prices for everything that's going on. Our pricing, the plans, AI generated images. It's going to be $250 for a bundle of 15 images. AI generated images can be generated from original images or existing images you wish to enhance with AI. And we have AI generated videos, $450 for a bundle of 5 images or videos. Sorry about that. Length of videos may affect their pricing. So AI generated videos can be generated from original videos or existing images existing images. Standard length of the videos are 5 seconds. Like I said, the length of the videos will affect the pricing, so keep that in mind. And then we have these AI generated images in videos. It's going to be a $500 for a bundle of 15 images and bundle of 5 videos. Of course, again, length of the videos may affect pricing. And then I guess it's going to be the same thing as the AI generated images can be generated from original images or existing images you wish to enhance with AI. AI generated videos can be generated from original images or existing images. Standard length of videos are 5 seconds. And that's pretty much what we have so far. So we have our landing page done, and we have our contact information done, and our pricing information done. Now we have to focus on our services and our about us. And then we're going to save the hardest thing for last. Of course, is going to be the try me or to try the free demo. Like I said, I explained to you yesterday what I'm looking to do with that. But I'll talk about that more when we actually make it there. So for the time being, we're just going to focus on the top here, our headers, and make sure all of this is done before we move on. But that was just a quick update. Like I said, our website is coming along and it's looking quite well. But I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.